My video guide is about removing the browser notifications and scary messages that are coming from the site Ballus.info. Ballus.info is a website that displays a lot of scary and frustrating messages that try to encourage people into clicking on this special proceed button. The website displays a lot of frustrating alerts that tell people that their computer is infected with some serious malware, and it says that they need to download and install some tool to get it fixed. But after people mistakenly agree with this proposal and click on the proceed button, they may be forwarded to some other junk websites that might promote a totally different software or even some potentially unwanted programs. So if you see these alerts on your screen, do not interact with them and do not install anything that they suggest. As I have said, these pop-ups may be the result of some adware on your computer. First thing you could do is to carefully check the control panel of your device and uninstall any programs that are suspicious. If you find something suspicious here, get rid of it. Right-click on it and uninstall it. To make sure that this system is free of other hidden threats, I would recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and then begin carefully researching your computer in order to identify and delete other threats which could possibly still remain on the system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.